You can get whatever the fuck you want in your life. And if this triggers you a little, good. Stay with me. Because the only reason you don't have it yet is not lack of resources. It is not lack of luck. It is the lack of certainty. It is the lack of belief that you're supposed to have in your bones that you are going to get it, that it is already on its way and it is already yours. So, ladies and gentlemen, while you sit there, let me help you unlock the cheat code of getting whatever you want in your life. Let's begin. Right now, pause. Catch the thought that you are thinking. Is it positive? Is it negative? Is it actually helping? And the real question is, do you want this thought to create the future for you? Because, my friends, it will. Every experience that you gain in your lifetime is filtered through your thoughts. You are not just reacting to your life, you are the one creating it with your mind, with your thoughts. Now I know what you might be thinking. If it is that easy, why can I not just simply have better thoughts? Let me tell you, you cannot, because our brain moves very fast, like a billion thoughts at a time. So you cannot control every single thought. Then what should we do? Start with something easier, your words. Listen to what you say, because your words are simply your thoughts spoken out loud. Okay, stop saying things like, I cannot do this, nothing works out for me, and this is so hard. Because why? Why would you say something that you don't want to come true? Start editing your language and simply start editing your life. Moving on, let us talk about something that is low key destroying people's life, the idea of struggle. The idea that you have to struggle in order to get something good. Because let me be honest here, nobody is out there holding a trophy for you because you have struggled a lot. Nobody is giving you a trophy to struggle. There are people out there who are working their ass off day and night to achieve their goals, but they're still not making it. And there are people out there who just simply believe that they're gonna get it and they get it. Because the foundation is always your belief system, the foundation is always your mindset. I have seen people saying things like, no, I don't need money. I'm okay with less. I don't want to be too much. Be honest. That is not humility. That is conditioning. Some people are addicted to struggle because it makes them feel worthy. Listen to me again. Some people are addicted to struggle because it makes them feel worthy. You don't have to struggle to deserve something good in your life. You don't have to prove your pain to earn your desires. You deserve good things just because you exist. Stop attaching your worth to some external factors like once I get my dream job, once I'll get my dream house, once I'll get a 26 inches waist, then I'll be good enough, then I'll be worthy. No. You are worthy of good things. You are worthy of achieving every single thing you want in your life just because it is you. The reason that it is you is enough for you to say that you are special. This is where most people mess up. They want things, but they don't expect them. Me, when I want something, I don't sit there questioning it. I don't sit there asking myself, oh my god, will it work out? No, because I know it will. I just simply move like it is already mine. Let me tell you what I mean. Let me tell you a few things that I have manifested to show you what certainty in real life actually looks like. First, I really wanted to get into this workshop at my dream university, the National School of Drama. I did not sit there overthinking, like, what if I do not get selected? I applied like it was obvious, and boom, I got in. Second, I have always been deeply passionate about theatre. So I decided, listen to me, I decided that I wanted to be a part of something meaningful, not just anything, something that holds real value. And I ended up being a part of a theatre play, Agra Bazaar by Habib Tanveer. It was presented on platforms, people actually paid to watch it, and it was not luck, it was alignment. Third, I recently manifested brand collaborations with Amazon and Flipkart. I applied to the agencies, yes. I did the work, yes. But the difference is, I was not hoping, I knew. I knew my presence has value. I knew I deserve opportunities like that, and life responded to that certainty. And it will always respond to that certainty every single time. Because ask yourself, look at yourself, why would you not get this? You are so magical, you are so special, and there is nothing in this world that you cannot get. So understand this. You have to believe like a child. A child doesn't know the difference between magic and reality. They look at the world with their rose colored glasses and they are so happy in their strawberry world. So you don't have to ask how it will happen. You don't have to calculate the probability of it happening. You just have to believe that it will happen, and you just have to leave the rest of it on the universe will take care of it. Universe knows when it is the right time to give you, because it is not about what you do, it is about the energy you do it with. When your belief is solid, your result will become inevitable. So I hope you got the point, and I hope you did get the way to unlock this cheat code of getting whatever you want in your life. So bye bye girlies, love you.